Good morning, guys. This is Mr. K speaking. So I'm gonna be showing you the types of apps that you need in order to start with investing. You could be interested in synthetics, stocks, Forex, cryptocurrency, any other investing industry. But let me make sure that you guys understand this. We have three types of analysis, right? We have technicals, we have fundamentals, we also have sentimental analysis. So firstly, I'm gonna start off with technical analysis. So this is the app that we usually use for technical analysis. It's a trading view. So we use trading view to look at technical analysis. To actually do technical analysis, once we are done with those technical analysis, then the next app that you're gonna be needing is called MT5. Whatever opportunity that you saw on your trading view, what you're gonna do, you wanna execute here on our MT5. On our MT5, we don't do analysis, we just execute, right? So now, if you wanna do that is technical analysis. If you wanna do fundamental analysis, the app that you're gonna be needing is called investing.com. This is the next step that you're gonna need in order to do fundamental analysis. And then as for sentimental analysis, you're gonna need Forex sentimental, right? So in this video, I'm only gonna cover one app, and then on the next video, then I'm gonna cover other apps, right? So let's get to it. I'm trying to make this video a bit longer so that it doesn't become a short, instead it becomes a long video. So let's get to it. I haven't registered, so I think this is a good start. So what you want to do is to open your trading view. And yes, of course, you can use this also on your laptop, and also the apps that I just showed you guys. Actually, on TradingView, we do have an app for laptop. 5 we also do have it. But as for investing and Forex sentimental, we don't have apps for that. We use a website for that, right? I want you guys to understand that. So let's get to it, guys. I'm gonna continue and log in with my Gmail. So I'm gonna use the Gmail that I actually use on my YouTube channel. So as soon as you click continue with Gmail, it's gonna show you so what you want to do here, guys, you want to make sure that you continue with your Gmail, because of if you click right here, then any analysis that you do is not gonna be saved automatically. So the best thing about this app is this: if I do my analysis here on my phone, you specific made, right? And I my laptop, I look at the same pair, I'm gonna find the same analysis that I that's a good this. And if you can actually link different devices, meaning that I could be, let's say I have a trading partner, right, that knows nothing about Forex. I could be doing my analysis here and give him the same Gmail to use on his trading view, right? Whatever that I have here as my technical analysis, it's also gonna appear on his side. So that's the best thing about this. So I'm gonna log in, guys. So that's what is best about this. The reason in this tool for analysis, for technical analysis, it is simply because of it has tools that I feel like I in need, right? MT5 is good, but for me it's good with execution. It's good with execution. I can see that also when I get it to that whereby it's also good with execution, but it got to that as it doesn't have brokers that we use. We only use one technical analysis. One we use it for our analysis. So to it, guys. So now, as you can see, we have indices on our list. We have stocks, we have futures. You could your crypto, and would also uh, stocks. Do have stocks, but we don't have synthetics here. We have synthetics. For synthetics, I would actually show you guys how to set it. So now let's get to it. Let me open my DXY. I'm gonna open DXY, and I'm gonna be showing you everything. I'll be clicking right here. I could open a card, and right, few things I wanna remove. There's few things I wanna remove. Let me see. Okay, I don't have those things. I do actually. Let me do this. I do. Do you see this grid lines? These grid lines. I wanna remove. I wanna remove those. Also change the color of to be at least green. I feel it will, and I also of this fundamental added. So just tap on it. Just double tap as you are done. Double tapping take you straight to your setting. I don't know why it's a bit slow. There it is. As I said that I'm gonna change my color first. So let me remove this. Okay, I'm gonna change my color into lime green at least. For me, I feel like this one is accurate, but they do try to make it a bit right. At first, when you will install this thing, it will be show black and white, but it's much better. I guess they are getting better and better. So I wanna my events. I wanna click events and make sure that no box has been ticked. And then the other one, what I wanna do is to go to my symbols maybe. Okay, I'm gonna go to scales so that I can see previous lows or whatever. Okay, I think everything is fine on this side. Date format, okay, it's fine. Then I wanna, as I said, those grid lines, I wanna remove them. I don't wanna have grid lines, so I'm just gonna click here where it's written grid lines right here, and I'm gonna choose none, and I'm gonna choose none. There it is, so that I don't see any grid lines there. So there it is, there it is. Then the second thing that you wanna do is to add your time frames, right? Is to add your time frames right here. You're just gonna click that. Let's click that. There it is. So I wanna add my daily as my favorite. So I'm gonna tap and hold. Okay, let me go down a bit. I'm gonna tap and hold and then add to favorite. Then the next one is gonna be 4 hours, 1 hour, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and also 15 minutes, and also 30 minutes. Yes, different types of traders, they use different methods, but for me, I prefer this ones right here. I've been using them for the past 10 years maybe. So now the next thing that you want to do is to click right here where there's your actual pen tool, so that you can add more tools into this that can assist you, right? So just gonna tap that, and what you're gonna do, you wanna add your trend line. Tap and hold, add to favorite. You wanna use your horizontal line, your horizontal ray, also you're gonna need it, vertical line, parallel line, you're gonna need it. Then you keep on moving, you keep on moving, you keep on moving, you keep on moving, you keep on moving. You wanna add your head and shoulders. You wanna continue moving. You wanna add long position, add position, You wanna add bars pattern, you wanna add your brush, you wanna add, there's something that I didn't do. Okay, I think it's done. Date, price range, you wanna add price range also. You wanna add your arrows, you wanna add your rectangle, you wanna add your path, you wanna add your circle, you wanna add your triangle, you wanna add your text, and then what else? Yeah, I think it's done. Then this app has been set successfully. So now, how do you actually add your what you call your favorite pairs and whatnot? What you're gonna do is just to click right here on your plus sign. So let's go ahead and click that plus sign. Then you have option whereby you can add stocks, funds, futures, and there must be a little bit more. We have Forex, we have crypto, we have indices, right? You can add your favorites. We have bonds, we have economy, we also have what else? We also have options. Right? So now I'm gonna show you guys step by step how you can actually link these apps so that they can work to your best abilities, right? So with this one we are done. Now we are moving to our MT5, right? So we want to set up our MT5. Then I'm gonna add a new trading account, but just for demonstration purposes I'm just gonna be using Deriv as my broker. I'm gonna say Deriv Limited, maybe. I don't know which one is it for demo, but let me check. Let me search. Let me say Deriv. It's gonna show me yeah, this one I think is the correct one for demo and live account, right? So we want to create a demo account. For the purpose of this video we're just gonna be creating a demo account. You're gonna add your name and also your surname and then your date of birth quickly. I don't mind showing you guys my date of birth, and I'm gonna make it accurate. I'm gonna click OK. Then your cell phone number, for me it's +27604571812, right? That is my number. And then as for my Gmail, it's klmarket trading group at gmail.com. And then you wanna choose just choose a deposit of $3,000. Don't choose so much. Then you're gonna accept those terms and click register, right? Then you are done. Right? There it is. It's quite ready. So I'm gonna click here where it's written my codes, right? I'm gonna click there where it's written codes. Then right there I have my different types of currencies, indices, bonds and whatnot, right? So now let me show you how to set it up, right? I'm just gonna click on any of these guys. Let me click on this one. It's fine. I'm gonna click on this one. You're gonna set it up almost the same as your trading view, right? Then you're gonna click on chart right here. You're gonna click where it's written chart. Once it opens, it doesn't matter, you're gonna set it up, guys. You wanna fix these grid lines. We don't wanna see these grid lines. We don't wanna be seeing this grid lines. So you're just gonna tap on your screen only once, and then you're gonna click right here. There it is. Then you wanna go to, where is it? I can't see it. Let me remove this. you wanna go to, I can't see that option, guys, just give me a second. Looking for that option. There it is. There it is. It's written colors. There it is. As you guys can see, it's written colors. So you wanna click that quickly, and then you wanna modify here. So where it's written grade, guys, where it's written grade, which is here, you wanna change that grade into white because your background is white, right? You wanna change your bar up. You wanna change your bar up to lime green, bar down to dark red, to light red, bull up, bull candle to lime green, bear candle to light red, right? I think everything now is set. Then you're gonna click on save. Once you have done that, then you're gonna go back. There it is. It's clean now. I'm quite satisfied with what I'm seeing now. As you can see, everything has been set up, right? So I'm gonna show you how you maneuver when it comes to these different tools. I'm gonna do a different video, as I said, based on TradingView alone. How do you use those tools that I just added? Right now we are mainly focusing on how to set up your apps, right? So now we are done. Now we are moving to investing.com. Now we are moving to investing.com. You're just gonna get inside, and right here what you wanna do, you wanna log in also. So we're gonna set it up to make sure that we only see high impact titles. Those high impact, we have low impact, medium impact, high impact. So we don't want to be focusing on low impact and medium impact because they are not going to be affecting the market so much, meaning that most of the time they're not going to affect types of trading opportunities that we have. But when to impact, that's a different. These guys are just gonna my go on and do the same sign up as I did. So I'm gonna use the same. So right here you want to make sure that you also sign in, guys, because once you set it up, you don't have to set it up anymore. You don't have to set it up anymore. So just gonna give it a second or two, especially most of the time when I do screen recording. It takes a bit more time. My phone gets a bit slower, but most of the time I use this on my laptop, so it's fine because this video is mainly on how to set your tools with trading view with your smartphone instead of your laptop or your PC. So we're just gonna wait a bit. It's taking a bit more time, but it should be done any moment by now. Okay, I think now it's done. I saw some changes a bit. I'm not gonna edit this video, guys. I'm just insert thumbnail, title, description, so that you guys can understand how much time does these things actually take to set it up. Right now we've been setting it up for the past 19 minutes, which is totally fine. I think we are almost done. So as for, I want to explain something, guys. It also depends on the type of trader you are, the types of app that you use, and also within those apps, the type of tools that you use. For me, I'm both a technical and a fundamental trader, right? To break that down, people, they are only technical traders, some of them are fundamental traders only, some of them are sentimental traders only. But for me, I combine those three, but mainly I combine my technical and my fundamentals. I believe that those three, they go hand in hand. When you gain much experience in this game, you'll understand that you can separate the three. There is just this additional information. The reason why I'm saying this is that I believe that techniques they give you setup to find a good entry, and how they push to get the data so that it can move into your setup, then have that volume of that element simply for your sentiment, right? So now the app is ready. The one is to right here. Move this one more. You're gonna click that. Then once you click that, you want to go to your colors, right? We are looking at economy colors. That's what we are trying. The economic. So we're showing you today that it is closed. There are no events, but let's continue up, guys, because right here I need you to steps. You're gonna click here. Once you click that, that is your field. You wanna tick medium and low impact news. Done that, just gonna go back, right? Done. Let's look for this week. What type of fundamentals are we expect, right? So that we can use fundamentals to when to actually trade. So every fundamentals they move the market, guys, and this is what we're gonna be discussing as a specific video for investing. As I said on it, I'm gonna do a specific video. I do a few potential fundamentals that I'm actually interested in. There's now which one knows will CP. I want to understand that we have three types of CPs: be negative and good negative, meaning that my continue go. So bear in mind that the type of strategy that you can use in this, but sometimes they can go same direction. They could be negative, all of them. They could be dropping, right? But now, okay, now I want you to understand that when we have more fundamentals being released at the same time, just at half past 2, make you minimize risk. Make sure that you minimize risk. There's a high possibility that the market might go good direction, not at the same time with the candle depend on what time frame you are on live or on your trading view, wherever you're gonna be technical analysis. In this case, in our trading view. So when you execute on your MT5, make sure that you minimize your risk. So now to move to the last app, guys, which is sentimental. There it is, Forex sentimental. With this one, we're not gonna be doing much. We're just gonna be signing in. And for me, I use this one so that I could just go against what everyone is doing. You don't want to be doing what everyone is doing, because if that was the case, we should be rich, all of us, right? So with this one, you just want to register and get it started, right? So I'm just gonna wait for it, because the reason why I'm saying this is you wanna sell at your highest points and you wanna buy at your lowest points. When everyone is buying, you wanna be looking for selling opportunities. So this is the volume, guys. The blues, as you can see, there's 15% on. I wanna remove this. There's 15% of people that are selling USD CHF, and those are buying is 85%. So with this one here, I wanna be looking for selling opportunities. Most of the time I go against what everyone is actually doing. So that is how I look at my sentimentals. With this app, I don't think I have to register, do I? Let me sign in. Let me sign up, guys. Let me sign up, because the main purpose of this video is to show you guys how to set up this quickly. I'm gonna add my name. Okay, there it is, and then my need, and then my password, guys. Do I have to show you password? Fine. I don't know if ever they want numbers. Let me write my. I don't know if ever numbers or not. Okay, up. Okay, now I'm successfully registered. I don't have to join the membership and stuff. I think it's fine like now as it is. I'm just gonna use a basic account type, right? So now you are done. Now you are done setting up your apps, and on the next video we're just gonna be doing our trading view, how to actually use the tools that I just added. Otherwise, have a great day. I'm out.